Hello folks, Jorge D'Amico here on our final episode of the series How to Scratch Build Realistic Wood Pallets in 1/35 scale. On today's video, I will show you the assembly of the Type 2 of the wood pallets I've created in balsa wood. It is a short video, as the process I will cover here it's pretty much very similar to the ones on my previous videos. And as usual, I will also make available to you the instructions in a downloadable PDF file with the guide, list of tools and materials for you to follow along this simple construction process. I hope you enjoy today's show and more importantly that this can be useful to you for your next 1/35 scale build. So let's jump right into it. This has been a fun journey over the last 5 videos, including this one, about my crazy idea to scratch build different wood pallets in 1/35 scale. If you haven't watched the first 4 shows of this series, the links will be on the screen at the end of this video. My main objective was to design a process that would be simple to follow and easy to reproduce, so modelers could use it to build as many wood pallets as they wanted or needed without breaking the bank, buying aftermarket kits. There are so many things we can do with these pallets in our model scenes. The options are almost endless. They can hold oil drums, building materials, ammunition boxes, you name it. They also can add visual interest to the scene, improving the composition, the aesthetics, and supporting the storytelling. Although I've made available to you 2 variations of wood pallets, both in polystyrene and balsa wood, the reality is that anyone can take my process and create additional versions using the same foundation. Not only that, we can add even more character to these pieces I created by making them broken or beaten up. In my videos, I offered a clean version, like if they are brand new. But I do really hope you can add even more character and your own personality as you add them to your dioramas, models, and vignettes. Let me know in the comment sections below how you plan to incorporate them on your project. I would love to hear your ideas, as well as if these tutorials were of any use to you. This whole process started as a result of my frustrations of not finding realistic wood pallet options in 1/35 scale in the aftermarket that suit my needs. Because of that, I decided to create my own wood pallets. And after a lot of research and energy, I came up with this simple process that anyone can follow. I hope you like it. I truly desire that this series sparked the interest in some of you to scratch build and create your own pieces. I hope it motivated and inspired you in any way, shape or form. And more importantly, that the knowledge and process I shared here can be useful to any of your future projects in 1/35 scale. I also want to thank all of you for paying attention and watching this series, and for all the likes and for subscribing this channel. Now, with the assembly and construction of these pallets out of the way, I'm already planning the next steps and the next videos. Which means that with all the pallets I assembled to create this series, I think I have more than 10 pallets now. I have plenty of opportunities to practice painting and weathering techniques in all of them. And to make things even more interesting, because I created these wood pallets in 2 different mediums, plastic and balsa wood, now we can exercise different painting processes as well. So stay tuned, because on the next episode I will play with paints and paintbrushes as we bring these wood pallets to life, giving them more color, literally, and taking them to the next level. I hope you enjoyed this series as much as I did, and that these tutorials can inspire and help you to create your own wood palette for your new builds. Let me know your comments or if you have any questions. You can find the link to download the PDF file for free, describing all the steps you saw me following on this episode, in the description below. If you print the file, you can use the template as a guide as you build up all the layers of the palette. And there you have it, the final result, wood pallets for your next 1/35 project. And by the way, here are the links for the previous videos I created so you can follow along the other constructions as well. And if you like this video and you'd like to see me creating more content like this one, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to click on the bell icon as well so you can keep up to date every time I post something new. Thanks for watching. We see each other on our next video.